Okay, this is the remnants of a vase that I'm making, and I figured I might as well turn it into something before I take it off the lathe. My first shot is going to be a giant ring holder, which you put a necklace or other miscellaneous stuff in. But we'll see as I go along, because I do have a woodworm screw in the back of here, so that's going to impact how deep I can go. So that's part of the reason I wanted to do a ring holder here, because then I'll avoid the woodworm screw. Okay, I've got a piece of rosewood here that I made into a giant ring holder. You can see it has a ring holder here, but then it has this dished area that you can put necklaces or whatever else you want in. It's just, I had a scrap piece of wood that was at the end of a vase, on the end of a vase, and I didn't want it quite this high. So I used a woodworm screw here. I've brought it down to where my wooden nickel will fit in there and it'll be flush. This is the surface that you bear on right here. And it's got some heartwood and some new wood right out here. So, and I don't know exactly what these dark spots are, but I've speculated that they're wormholes that have filled with something, but I don't know what, because it's just about as hard as the wood. So I don't know if it filled with a sap, or it machines nice, it doesn't smear, it doesn't do anything. So I don't know exactly what's going on there. But okay, I'm going to use some thick super glue and some accelerator. And so I'll put the thick glue here and the accelerator on my wooden nickel and put them together. So here we go. And it shouldn't take too long to cure. I give it a few seconds and it holds on pretty good. So here it is prior to finish. So the wooden nickel covered up the woodworm screw hole, and I've got this all done. I need to just put a coat of finish on it. Okay, I've put the first coat of finish on. Let's turn it over. So that's what the back looks like. This is the front. I got to let it soak in a little bit. I took some off already because it was very wet. So I took some more off, and I'll let that soak in and put another light coat on. Okay, here is my latest, a ring holder, giant ring holder. So the intent is you put a ring in the middle and keys or a necklace or whatever in the perimeter around it. It really was driven by the size of the piece. It came as a scrap off the end of a vase I'm making. That'll be the next video, will be a vase. And this will be the top 1.25 inches of that piece of wood. I didn't want it to be too tall. So I ended up with this. It's rosewood. It's got mostly heartwood, mostly heartwood this time. And I did a rosewood thing a little while back. I guess that's about it.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.